folks hating our trailer park rhyme about the times in the ghetto, making it work like Geppetto. It's the remix. Check it. Enough of K-Fizzle. This is Kevlar. Check it. This is Kevlar and I'm hard as nails. About to tell you about our trailer park tales and what it entails. Social lowlifes and entrails. Multiple yard sales and mates from jails. It's about to unveil. No bales of hay for the children to play. Just kicking some cans and trashing the land. Filling my teeth with sand. It's part of their plan to drive me from this land. I don't speak their language, so they fill me with anguish. The kids caught me in Spanish. Wanna call the cops so I can vanish. All these illegals and their beagles with their illegal regals flocking to this place like seagulls. Crackies dealing their drugs, kids dressing like thugs with their bling in their mugs, sporting their guns, flashing their signs and their thumbs, flapping their gums, it's dumb. You didn't like my video or our idiosyncrasies. Perhaps you don't get things like these. You watch for free, got no glee, then just leave. Don't tell your friends in their Mercedes Benz. I ain't here to make amends. Observe trends, impress your lens. I hope this offends. And you walk away, tell your friends. Kevlar dissed on me till the end. I don't bend. This is meant for you then. Sit back and recognize our jest on this prize called the Trailer Park Lives. In our dives with our wives, growing chives. What you have something to say, then say it then. Hey Kev, why didn't you rap about the economy, or the oil spill, or talk about race, or poverty, or homeless dogs with rabies? How about I talk about the lady throwing dislike like Hades? I think you got mouth rabies. Get back in your van with your baby. You've got no sense of humor, and that ain't no rumor. It's the truth, you gloom and doomer, baby boomer. Go back to your rumor in the old zone. Now I'm back in the zone, so let's wrap this rap up and summarize. I came here to hate on you guys with the rhymes of the times in our dives. You say you don't like it, then don't watch. Take your Swaz, your Bach, and your Beethoven. Give someone else your lovin'. I don't need you, catch a clue. I got my friends, my girl, and my crew. Got nothing to prove, I said my piece out when you lose. Peace out. Go punch yourself. And this goes out to all the non-haters out there. 509, doing time, living the dream, and it's also time. Take some time, absorb my rhymes of the ghetto, making it work like Geppetto.